Hello guys, welcome to AppDevTree. In this video today I'm going to tell you about the cross-platform application. These are the most when I search on Google, I found these three applications. One is React Native, one is Flutter, and one is Kotlin. Before going to if you want to develop any application, for most popular applications in the world is most of mobiles are with a Android and iOS application. Most of them are Android devices. Remaining are the iPhone application. In order to become a to choose a mobile application as a career, to develop most now present market to create a single application to develop any iPhone application, you need to learn by using the Swift program. By using Swift programming, everybody creating a application like a iOS application. For developing Android application, most of the things they are used to. There are so many technologies to develop a Android application. You can create a Android application by using Java, Python. So many technologies are there for uh, to develop any Android application. These are the most of the today I'm going to tell you how to create a application like cross-platform application by using the one technology. Uh, for developing any single application, like if you want to develop any iOS application, you need to know Swift or any other application. To develop an Android application, you need to learn Java or something. For to develop two application with a single code, we need to have a like cross-platform mobile application development. For that one, there are so many so many technologies are there, but I early listed three of them. One is React Native. This one is React Native, and this one is Flutter. Now I am going to tell you about these things. In Flutter was the product which launched by Google. This one is the Flutter. I mean a Flutter. Now we are in a Flutter website. Flutter is basically developed by Google, and it was the Kotlin. This is a new latest program we can develop by single by individual, like by using the multi-platform mobile. Like you can develop iOS application as well as Android application. And we have a React Native, like a React Native. By using React Native is the most popular cross-platform application development. Many companies are using React Native for developing a cross-platform application. These are the three applications where I segregated and collected to tell there are so many applications are there in Google. I found these two, these three are three in Google right now. That's why I'm making videos on these two. Among these three, React Native is the almost top in the market to create a cross-platform application, and Flutter was a new thing. Flutter was developed by the like a the Flutter is a Google UI toolkit for building a beautiful native compiled application for mobile, web, desktop, and embedded device for single code base. By using single code, you can create a mobile application, web and desktop application, embedded device. Then you can by using Flutter, you can create a n number of application like a multi-device platform. Like you can create an application for Android and mobile application, like a web application and desktop application and many application. By using this, the most this technology came coming from another platform. Doc is I it can be used in Xamarin. These are the some of the application where you can right now we can make a application using these technologies. This go this first time why I'm going to tell you is with this Flutter. Flutter was recently launched almost 1 year or 2 years back, 1.5 year back. It was not up to right now. This not no many guys are not adapted to React Native. If you want to choose the React Native, you don't have much competition in Flutter. Why? Because it was new technology, like a new language. But one thing is we have when you're taking any course, you have to check the opportunities in the market. uh, for Flutter, we don't have much competition, but we have to check the opportunity, how much you're are paying for package, how much you can make any money from this application. One more good thing was is if you my suggestion is to learn at least like a Flutter and React Native. React Native is the latest technology. If you like React Native. This is the most now I'll explain everything of React Native. React Native is if you learn any JavaScript or anything, you can easily if you have any JavaScript, Java, it's very easy to learn React Native. Like create an application for Android and iOS using React. By using React, you can create only to like only for mobile devices. Like using by using Flutter, you can create an application for mobile device, Android, iOS, and the web and desktop application. Why? Because like if you are React Native, if you are JavaScript, you can create a web application, give best web applications uh, like functionality. React Native learn once, write anywhere. If you learn this, I'm till now I didn't learn any of these technologies. I'm ready to learn these two technologies. Like along with, I'm very enthusiastic in previously I told you about like web development, mobile. I'm very passionate about mobile and web application development. That's why I'm going to learn these things. I will tell you these are the most like I don't tell I would not want to tell you it's easiest. If you try work hard, you can easily learn this application. You can create cross platform application using this instead of learning like a Java or a Swift program is good. It's okay, but opportunity is less for freshers in most of the regional countries. Like in India, it's very difficult to get a job for fresher. Like that's why I'm going to tell you this technology you have now. If you want to become a good like a mobile application, web application developer, you want to be learn is React Native first. Later you need to Flutter. We have to know the opportunity before going to Flutter. This is the Kotlin multi-platform. This is also like a React Native. You can develop application for both iOS and Android application. Like a single code base for business logic with a Kotlin mobile SDK. You can develop like a business logic code, iOS specification. These are the many basic class of the Kotlin. But I didn't know much. I don't know much about this Kotlin. That's why I'm not explaining this thing. But I found somewhere multiple times I found this thing. I didn't watch any review about this. But I want to explain you about these are the who use Kotlin mobile SDKs like a VMware, Philips, Leroy Merlin, Dog, and Quizlet. Index, Autodesk, Netflix, so many companies are using this Kotlin to develop their mobile and like mobile application for interface. Now we are going. These are the three differences of these applications. Like here is the React Native written in JavaScript, written with a native code. Like this is the importance of if you have knowledge in JavaScript, it's very easy to create a program in React Native. So this is a program how it looks like. It's very easy, like a very no, I'll tell you very easy, it's easy to learn. I hope so. Like import React from React. Like this, if you spend according to my life, you can learn it this React Native within a 30 days. If you work at least 4 hours dedicated for next study, you're going to be good. You want to give good React Native developers. Negative development for everything like these are they are providing some tools like from next week onwards I will create some syllabus for React Native and Flutter. But Flutter is not Flutter is very good, but Google is providing Flutter tutorials basically for to develop Flutter. You need I have to learn more. I have to know more about the Flutter. That's why I'm making this video to give some basic information about Flutter. So I hope you like this video. Now we are at the end of this video. I'll tell you difference between the React Native Kotlin are same like a same means we by using React Native Kotlin you can create a like mobile application. By using Flutter you can create a mobile application, desktop application, web application, and many applications. So these are the three things. They are different between Kotlin and Kotlin React Native and Flutter. I hope you like this video. Make sure subscribe my channel and stay follow us on social media so I can update latest things about this latest technology. Thanks for watching. May stay tuned for more latest update, latest tutorials. Have a nice day.